I'm Uncle Mark. I'm going to be changing this brake light bulb on, well, it could be a park light as well, on a Toyota Matrix or a Pontiac Vibe. Basically the same car. So let's get right to it. With the hatch opened, you'll see these little doors on the side, depending on which side your light's out on. And they just pop open. I thought that this would be like your jack or something, but no. This is actually access to the bulbs, which is a really smart idea. So it's just got a couple little clips that act as hinges. Pop it out, and we look way up. That one that looks a little bit coral color or brown or whatever up there, that is a brake light and your parking light, like the lights that are always on. So give it a turn, about a quarter turn to the counterclockwise, and it should come out that easy. And there's the bulb, and ooh, you can see it's burnt out. So I'm just going to wiggle it with both hands. Wiggle and pull, and it should just pop out there. So there it is. I'll show you the difference between that and the new one. Look how clear the new one is. They might not burn out lead, who knows? Usually they are kind of a darker color. It's a 7443. That's the one for your park light and your brake light. It doesn't matter which way they go in. These new bulbs, either way is fine. They both work the same way, which is kind of a neat design. Whoever came up with that, very smart. The old days you had only one way to put them in, and it just snaps back in. I'm going to check it to see what the park light works. Oh, and the brake light works as well. Easy enough. Well, you'll see these little fingers here around it. Maybe I'll just pull the bulb out and show you. They're not all the same size. 3 are a little bigger, and then one's a little smaller. See this one right where my thumb is? That's a little smaller. So it's only going to go in one way. So I'll put the bulb back in, and we'll try and put it back in the its own socket there. Remember, it only goes in one way, so if you're trying to put it in there and it doesn't want to fit, here's a view of it in the dark. If it doesn't work, just maybe turn it a quarter turn or so, try and see if that's going to fit. If not, do another quarter turn, and then try and see if it's going to fit. Eventually it will go in there. And that's the product installed. Easy enough. I'll just put this little door back on, this access door. Only goes on one way. So these two here are going to act like a hinge. Let's put it in those holes there, square holes, first of all, and then snap it shut. And that's all there is to it. I'll just save myself a pile of money. Well, that's going to do it for the video. Fairly easy to change your brake light bulb or your park light, or I guess it's considered a running light, in the back of your car. If you like the video, can you give me the thumbs up? It helps YouTube know that I'm trying to do my best and you're enjoying it. You can also subscribe if you'd like more videos on this. Plus I do a whole bunch of other kind of cars as well. Sometimes what you might see in a different car may fit this one in a repair as well. Talking about the Toyota Matrix or the Pontiac Vibe, how about a playlist right here? Above the big blue circle there, we'll have that flashing yellow arrow pointing to a card you can click on and see a few more videos on this car. Until next time, I'm Uncle Mark saying you and your family stay safe. Please subscribe and you'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell.
Ouch.
Well, that's going to do it for the video. Pretty easy to put a park